How to check heart rate on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. The Health app serves as a central place for your health and fitness information. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Browse tab. Here, you can view all the health categories available on your phone. Now, find and tap on Heart from the list. Over here, you will find different heart-related health metrics. Tap on Heart Rate. You can now view your heart rate data on this page, which is typically collected from a connected device like an Apple Watch. You can also change the data view from hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly from the top panel. Following these steps, you can easily check your heart rate on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.